y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ℂ𝕆𝕄𝕼, back again with another video. So as you seen from the title, I got another wig. But first, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Well, if you're not new, or if you're new, go ahead and like this video. You can comment after, in the middle, right now, doesn't matter. And if you are completely new, you've never seen me before, my name is ℂ𝕆𝕄𝕼. I am a lifestyle content creator here on YouTube. I do everything from wig reviews to hair reviews to natural hair things to vlogs to travel vlogs. I have dipped into doing nails. I have not perfected that craft yet, but I do make it look nice. And yeah, that's about it. So I do various things on this channel. So if you like that, you like a little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little sprinkle of that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe for more content. So yes, today I have a wig sent to me by Klaiyi. I don't know how to pronounce their name correctly. I have this wig here. This will be my first synthetic wig. Whew, I'm a little nervous. This is my first time opening the box as well. I literally waited until I got on camera with you all so we can see it together. So in the package I have, this is a lot of hair, the wig here. It comes with a, who is this dark? Wig cap. Not too sure who this is for, and a strap band for you here. All right, so this is their, let me give you all the deets and all the tea on the hair. This is their curly synthetic lace front wig for women. It's afro curly hair, so it's giving you that natural tease, you know. I'm not sure if it's going to give you 3B, no, like 3C, 4A hair, or what it's giving me. Yeah, it's giving me like 3C, 4A hair, like a fro. I have L-shaped curls, and it has a right hand parting space. This is the wig in 16 inches. It is heat resistant. And yeah, and it's in the color black, so I'm not opposed to the color black for the hair. My hair is already naturally dark. Of course, you know I do have purple hair now, but it is naturally dark. So it is a right hand, right spacing part, but I'm not sure if you can finesse and do it maybe like in the middle, but we're gonna see. So it does have some lace here and on the inside. So it has a comb, it has 4 combs, excuse me, 3 combs, 1, 2, 3. It also has the adjustable band and the yeah, it's only 3. And then it also has the adjustable little band in the back as well. So, and then that's what the part is giving. The part is giving me really wiggy, but I feel like you can, oh, see, if you just start teasing at the root, I feel like it can give you. All right, let me stop talking. I don't know if I want y'all to see me struggle on camera trying to put this on. All right, let's get into what it's giving. Okay. It's not giving that bad. I feel hair somewhere. Okay, so of course I need to cut off the lace, but you can see what she is giving. I feel like you can really finesse it into like a middle part too. Y'all, I want to see if I can finesse some bangs Tell me some bangs on this would not look fire. That's what I'm finna go finesse. But I'm gonna do this off camera because I feel like I might mess up and I don't want to do that on camera. So I'll be right back. So y'all, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to cutting hair, and it's very evident. So I put this scarf on to make it look a little better. I was giving Rick James. Y'all, I cannot with it, but it's really nice. I do like it. Like, if you want to not mess with it, don't cut it, don't do nothing like that. You good, just throw on, hey, cool, you give it natural, yes. But I wouldn't suggest cutting it unless you know what you're doing, because you're gonna end up like me with the Rick James hair. But I am really feeling the hair though, for it to be synthetic. And oh yeah, I did not tell you guys the price. Clearly I'm living for the scarf look, because I had that on in the beginning of the video with my other hair. Like, we live for the wig, I mean for the scarf look. She's giving cute, she's giving quick and easy, because period. So this wig was a total of, and mind you, it is a 16-inch synthetic wig. It's gonna hit you for the $33, which is not terrible at all. Like, just for something easy and quick to put on, and it's on Amazon. So yep, that could be a vibe. So if you're looking into something easy, quick to throw on, you know, just to have a round wig, you know, you need to go to the store, or you know, you want to run an errand real quick, you're not, you know, your hair is not done and you just want to throw something on your head, this is definitely the wig for you. And it's not giving that bad of a tease. I've always wanted bangs like with my natural hair, but my hair is not this long, so I can never get it. But it's not giving that bad of a tease. Again, keep the scarf. Keep the scarf. Let me see. No, yeah, it's giving cute. I just gotta mess with it a little bit more, but I think it's okay. Just for, like I said, something to throw on. Okay, now it's giving cute. It's giving cute right here. She's giving cute. So yeah, make sure you guys check the link in my description. That'll take you straight to the Amazon store, to the how do you say it? Klaiyi, I like Klaiyi store, and get yourself a synthetic wig. They also have other wigs too, but this is the inexpensive one, and it'll get you right, okay? Because period. So yes, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.